Motion-based mold design validates engineering decisions before steel cutting. This mold performs two-shot molding without a rotary platen. The mold uses two independently controlled valve gates. A hydraulic internal rear slide creates space for the second shot. The first shot forms the primary material. The rear slide retracts to the preset position. The second shot completes the overmolding process. The front hydraulic side action retracts. The mold opens. Rear side actions complete core pull. The ejector system releases the finished parts. This concept eliminates mold rotation, simplifies the mechanism, and improves production efficiency. Production stability is engineered, not assumed. Moldevo.